Hi! So for today's video, I'm going to show you one way to enrich your crops without any chemical inputs. We're going to do an organic method using mycorrhizal fungi. So this is called MycoPlus. Okay, what this is, there is soil and there are spores of a certain fungus that is naturally found in the roots of plants. So what this fungus does is it sends out its own root-like extensions that allow the roots of the plant to absorb more water and nutrients into the plant. So it's kind of like a wig, but for roots. So it thickens the surface area that the plant has to absorb all the needed nutrients from the soil.
Pag gumamit tayo ng mycorrhiza, mas kakaunti ang kailangan natin na chemical fertilizer. Dahil lumalaki ang surface area for absorption, na-enhance ang pagsipsip ng mga nutrient mula sa lupa. Gumaganda ang soil quality at tumataas ang tolerance ng mga pananim sa drought. This product was invented by my father, Dr. Reynaldo de la Cruz, in the 1980s. The technology that he invented was applied all throughout the Philippines, and it was further developed by his team of researchers at UPLP Biotech. The newer version is called MycoPlus.
And this is kind of like the upgrade. So aside from the mycorrhizal fungi, it also has a beneficial bacterium that also helps enrich the plant. So without further ado, let's apply it. So this is how it looks. It looks like soil. We only need a very small amount. Now this can be applied several times during the crop cycle. You can use it for seeds during the seed stage. You can use it during transplanting. You can apply it in the watering solution when the crops are already growing. Right now, we're going to apply it in some of the crops that we already have that are growing. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple of spoonsful of the mycorrhizal fungus. This is the inoculant, and this is water. So I'm just going to kind of try to stir it. Yan. So we're going to water it directly onto the plants that we have. Ididilig natin siya. This is our avatar tomato. So idiligan lang natin. Okay. Okay. And here is, this is a cherry tomato. So medyo mataas na siya. Here. Another avatar tomato. This one is sunflower. And avocado. Sunflower again. And siling labuyo. Ito ang ating alugbati. Tanim ko lang kahapon using cuttings from our kitchen scraps. Ang ginawa kong omelette na alugbati. For this one, because it's just newly transplanted today, I'm going to put it directly where the roots are. And this is a lot more than I would usually put, but yeah. Before we cover up the rest of the roots there. And then this one, we're going to sprinkle it all around the roots or the root area and hope for the best.
Ngayon, didiligan naman natin ang ating newly sprouted cherry tomato seedlings. At ang ating newly sprouted na spinach seedlings. A few days later, eto na sila. Ito na yung ating alugbati. Laki na oh, bilis.
Okay, so where can you get MycoPlus or MycoVam? This is being sold at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, at the National Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology. So, Biotech, UPLP.
Also now available on Lazada.